If one of your organizations or contacts changes their address, they will need to update it within Fabric to ensure your records are kept up to date. This video will be an example of managing an address change request. In org rep user can send an address change request by submitting a self-start process with an instrument form. After the questions within the form are completed and the request is submitted, the request will appear on the dashboard of any staff with access to the process. The staff member can then view the request, view the instrument form within the request, verify any information, and perform the necessary action. After the request is confirmed and all stages are marked as complete, the request will be listed as complete under the org rep dashboard. To make a new form and process to be used for a request, create an instrument set to form, enter one or more questions to be completed for the form, which in this case records the name and new address for a user, and publish the instrument. This will allow the instrument to be accessed within a process. Next, create a process set to self-start form, and add an activity set to instrument form submission. Self-start will allow the process to be started independently by org rep users from the org rep dashboard, and the instrument form submission activity will allow an entered instrument form to be filled. Add an instrument form, set external access to write, and ensure that auto start is enabled. Setting external access to write will allow non-staff members to access the activity, and auto start will immediately begin the next activity when the first is complete. You can then create another activity that will be used to confirm the request from the form. Set external access to none, which will only allow staff to access the activity. You can also default the activity to a certain staff member or add a group. Because the previous activity was set to auto start, after a contact submits the form and completes the activity, the confirmation activity will immediately become active for a staff member. You can also add a publication activity that will send an email letting a user know their address has been updated. When you're finished, publish the process. This will allow the process to be started. This is just one example of how a request can be managed. The workload can easily be changed and tailored to meet your specific needs and processes.